we're gonna talk about how to use 네요 as Korean verb ending. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyo. Today we're gonna talk about how to use 네요, and this video was requested by Loon PT. Thank you so much for requesting this video because I've been meaning to make this content, and today is a good day to make it. First, we're gonna talk about meanings of 네요, how to use it in grammar structure, and I'm also gonna show you the actual phrases so that you can see how it's actually used. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give you homework, so stay tuned. So let's get started. 네요 is pretty much like exclamation in speech. So in English equivalent, you may see it in this format. How beautiful! What a beautiful tree! Or it may just be, it is beautiful tree with impression. But I don't think in English there is a way to add exclamation mark just like verb ending in Korean. So I think in this context, it's better to find the interpretation rather than the direct translation. How to use 네요 is actually pretty simple. You use verb root plus 네요. Let's say if I use a regular verb 가다, to go, you use the verb root 가 plus 네요. If I use the verb 예쁘다, to be pretty, you just use the verb root 예쁘 and add 네요. 예쁘네요. Just by having 네요 at the end of the verb, it gives the impression and exclamation in speech. For polite part, you use 네요. If you want to use it in casual speech, you just drop 요. Tomato is fresh. 토마토가 싱싱하네요. Tomato is tomato in Korean. 가 subject particle. 싱싱하다, to be fresh, and add 네요 after verb root. So 토마토가 싱싱하네요. Tomato is fresh with impression. So you can almost think of it as, wow, tomato is fresh, or how fresh the tomato is. You dance very well. 춤을 너무 잘 추네요. 춤 is dance as a noun, 을 object particle. 너무, very. 잘, well. 추 is from 추다 verb, to dance. In Korean we say dance a dance, 춤을 추다. Verb root 추 plus 네요, exclamation mark. Wow, you dance very well. I'm sleepy now. 지금 졸리네요. 지금 now, 졸리다, to be sleepy. You use verb root 졸리 and add 네요. 졸리네요. 지금 졸리네요. I'm sleepy now. Or how sleepy I am. So here is the homework. This movie is fun. Second, you got your hair cut very short. Hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.
He's rapping. Freestyle. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. God damn, he's just going ape shit.
God damn, he's just going ape shit. What? 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 What Holy shit.
This is a squirrel.
This is the best beatboxer since the Fat Boys. Yeah.